Hey everyone, today I have a Bose SoundLink Mini and I'm going to do a quick unboxing of it and show you the actual product. Before I do that, I'd like to talk about something Bose recently changed about the way their products work, and that is the Bose app is no longer a requirement for setup on your Bose products. Now, the SoundLink Micro can be used without the app either way, but a couple of days ago Bose announced that the app would no longer be required for using its Bluetooth speakers, and I find that interesting and welcome at the same time. That said, let's jump into it and see what the SoundLink Mini is about. So it's really small, and I picked up this because I wanted something more portable and easier to carry around. I wanted something portable and compact. And you say, well, portable and compact go hand in hand. Yeah, but not when it comes to certain products, right? Certain products can be portable, but they're not as useful. Portability and great sound go hand in hand. And so this is what I think the Bose SoundLink Micro offers in terms of size, portability, and great sound. So I'll put that aside, and straight in we have the speaker. Now I'll put that. It does have some weight to it. There probably is just some manual information in here. Let's see. Nicely packaged. So some manuals, maybe some warranty information, and a micro USB. So this SoundLink Micro was released a couple years ago, so I don't expect it to have USB-C, but it might be a future update in the SoundLink Micro 2, which is what Bose usually does with practically all of its product, and so this one I think is due for an upgrade. So right off the bat, it's a power button and a Bluetooth button. There you have the charger. So now this one is waterproof to about 3 feet for 3 minutes. You do get about 6 hours of charge time on it. So one of the things I like is this sort of lanyard style. Can't detach it, but you can attach it to a backpack. You could practically attach it anywhere you have a space for this, and it is a little bit stretchy. It's a little bit stretchy, so you can also definitely use this in the shower. Maybe connect it to a shower rod. Honestly, you can connect this anywhere. There's a space for this type of connector, tree branch, if you wanted to, but you can use this in the shower, and I see this as something you can definitely leave in there to use on a regular basis. And so it's about 4 inches across and 4 inches lengthwise. I like this because of the sound and portability. It does have some weight to it. I compared this in the store to JBL products that were on display, and for this size I was amazed that not only it produced really good sound, but it also had really good bass. And for a speaker this size to have bass, that's amazing. But then again, Bose has been doing sound and sound products for 30 plus years. You should expect that from them. Even a few years on the market, it still goes for $100. Now, do I think it's worth that? Yes, for the sound quality and portability, and just you're paying for a premium product in Bose product. Other manufacturers, one in particular, Sonos, doesn't really discount their products, and that's because you want to keep that premium price point. And once you start discounting products on a regular basis, and half off sale and things like that, consumers will catch on to that idea that I can wait for a product to come out and then drop 50% within 6 months. And so Bose is not like that. Now they do have sales around Christmas time and certain holidays and whatnot, but you expect that from every manufacturer, honestly. They do that for cars, and even Apple has some sale items around major holidays. And so I have I'll put this aside. Now I have a Echo Dot, and this is the second generation Echo Dot. And I'll just put it down side by side so you can gauge the size of it. Now this, I think, sounds a little bit tinny. I mean, obviously it doesn't have weight to it, it's smaller, but it's a different product entirely. This is a smart speaker versus a music speaker, so I don't expect to be a comparison. It's just really on the size of it. Just from what I've heard, this I think sounds at least 3 times better. This sounds about 3 times better than this, but this is not a sound comparison, so just don't even worry about that. That said, I'll put this aside. The one thing I think is missing is the ability to connect a headphone jack or 3.5 millimeter. And the reason I say that is because this has a headphone jack, and if you had a headphone jack connected, you would have been able to use this speaker to augment the sound from this one. And I've done that with other speakers. You can't augment the sound using the 3.5 millimeter connector because there isn't one, but you can use Bluetooth. And because the Echoes, or most of them anyways, you can connect another speaker or a secondary speaker via Bluetooth. And so that's something I will test out. I think the rubber casing makes it durable. The one thing that I did notice, if there was a negative, was this rubber at the front anyways, it doesn't seem like it's attached. It just seems like a casing that holds really well. I don't see that being a big issue at all. That said, I will test this out, and maybe I'll do a follow-up video on what I like and what I don't like about it. But for now, that's the Bose SoundLink Micro. I do want to say, please like and subscribe and leave your comments. Thanks for watching.